How to add button in AppSheet. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add button in AppSheet. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in AppSheet, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is AppSheet, it is a no-code development platform from Google that enables users to create custom mobile and web applications without needing to write a code, in which it is designed for individuals and organizations looking to digitize workflows, automate processes, and manage data more efficiently. AppSheet also allows users to build apps directly from data sources such as Google Sheets, Excel, and SQL databases, with an intuitive interface and powerful features like conditional logic, workflow automation, barcode scanning, and many more. So now to create an account, you can click the link in the description or click the Get Started button on the top right corner, or you could also start clicking the Sign In button if you already have an account. And upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed in here where you can log in using your Google, Microsoft, Apple ID, and many more. And after that, you will be directed in this app sheet, and you should be able to see all of your application that has been created. But to create a new one, just click the Create button on the left side panel and click the app. Then you have here the option to choose either to create a blank app, to start with existing data, or even start with template. But I'm going to click the create a blank app, and from here just simply enter the name of the app. For example, I'm just going to enter here the name Mr. And below you could also click the category to choose one here, either field service, inspection and surveys, and many more. But in those options, let's say I'm going to click this one and click create app button to proceed. Now you should be able to see here that this app sheet is now being created, the app, based on the given category that we just input. Now as you can see, we've here created our first app. So all you need to do is to simply wait for it to load, then you will be directed in here. Or you could also start closing this window or customize this application. On the right side panel, it will show us what our application looks like. You have here some of the sample of templates, where you can start clicking on it to start navigating and edit it. And on the left side panel, we have here a variety of options to navigate. We have here automation, views, data, and many more. However, since we're trying to add here a button in our application, all you need to do is simply go on the left side panel and click the action button right here. By clicking this one, you should be able to see all of the action or button including in our application. And to add a new button, all you need to do is simply click the add button on the left side panel under actions. So kind of click this add button right here and start filling out on the right side panel some of the info to navigate. If you to enter the action name, and also for the record of this table, do this, the position of it, the display name, and many more. But at this point, it is only required to enter the display name and also to choose the action icon. I'm going to enter or click edit, and after that below under the action icon, you can choose your variety of icon for this button. And since our button in here is for editing, I'm going to simply choose here an icon for editing. For example, this one, star. And after that, below you could also navigate the behavior section to enter some of the condition, needs confirmation message, and many more. And now to save the changes, just click the save button on the top right corner in order to save the changes that we just add in here. So to do that, just click the save on the top right. Now as you can see, it is now currently being saved. All you need to do is wait for it to be fully saved. Now as you can see, it is now being synced. So when you try to click this button or the star button right here, as you can see, you should be able to see the edit button where you will be able to be directed on the page where you can start editing the table or the content of this application or some of the item in here. We can add a title, assignee, and many more. Now let's say we're going to add a new one or another kind of button. Just simply do the same process by clicking the plus button or the add button on the left side panel under this actions. So all you need to do is simply click this one and enter the kind of actions or button you want to add to your application. We're going to enter, for example, a create button in here and click the create new action button below to proceed. But you can also select some of the suggested button in here. For example, the status, if your action name is complete. For the record, we have here this table, which is the table 1, And the type of actions we want to perform in here is this: for data, set the values of some columns in this row. You can also set some of the statuses as a complete, and even choose the kind of position with here: primary, prominent, inline, and many more. And even choose here the action that we prefer. For example, in here I'm going to choose this one. Now as you can see, it is basically adding in here all of the changes. So all we need to do is simply click the save button once we're done filling out the required information in creating or adding a button. And now as you can see, I'm currently entering here a documentation or descriptive comment. Great. Now to save it, just click the save button on the top right to proceed. And after successfully saving it, you'll now be able to see here the result on the right side panel of your app with here this button complete. When you try to click on it, you should be able to see that the item that we just entered has now been added to the complete section. And overall, that is just basically how you can add button in AppSheet. Thank you.